Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In our video today guys, we're gonna be making green crumbs Ndengu, so stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be cooking guys. And if you're new here, welcome to this channel where we cook various type of food. And stay tuned, subscribe, watch and share guys. So without further ado guys, let's just get started. First thing, we are going to cook our onion until it is golden brown. That's when we go in with garlic, and we'll just take like 5 minutes to let the garlic cook, and from there that's when we're gonna go ahead and add tomatoes. And feel free to add any other thing, red capsicum, yellow, green, yeah, but mine I just needed tomatoes. Yeah, so that's my tomatoes guys, and I just need like 5 minutes for my tomatoes to cook well so that I can go in with Ndengu. So guys, subscribe, watch my videos. I have a lot of video guys, and I kindly request you to go and watch my other videos. There are so many. And to all those guys who have been supporting me, I don't take it for granted, and thank you so much guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for everyone who supports me. And you can share my videos to those people don't know me, so that they can be watching my videos, and they can get an idea of maybe something they would want to cook. And my 5 minutes is over, so I'll just go ahead and add my Ndengu. Yeah, and I highly recommend to go and try these recipes, because it is one of the yummiest food that you can never go wrong. You can have Ndengu with chapati, with rice. Yeah, so just go and try this recipe, and you can let me know in the comment section, because mine was so delicious. If you just cook the way I've cooked, you'll just get the same taste. So guys, I think that's it. It is as simple as that. I just took like 30 minutes maximum. Yeah, and it was so yummy. I ate it with rice. Yeah, it is as simple as that guys. And kindly once again go and subscribe, go and watch this video, watch the rest of the video. Oh, and also I added paprika, I added coriander, I added coconut milk to make my Ndengu delicious. So, and coriander, yeah, step by step. I think that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you in the next one, and I love you. Bye.